Today we'll be covering Shibnobi's blockchain, expected to be released by the end of the third quarter 2022. We'll also be going over some AMA updates, some questions from the community, and also some exchange listings. At the end of the video, we'll definitely check out some price predictions and also some burns that are going to happen if we reach a certain price point. So let's look at the facts in the markets and the charts together and bring financial awareness to a crypto space that continues to change on the hour, every hour. With that being said, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here with the latest Shibnobi and market news reaction. And we're going to dive right into this. We got Shibnobi Blockchain expected to be released by the end of the third quarter 2022. Aims to solve this problem through the increased due diligence of token creators, as well as by enhancing security to prevent fraudulent tokens. This is very epic and something that I'm very supportive of. We're going to like and retweet everything going on. It'll also speed up transactions and reduce gas fees, which will be a big difference to DEX adoption on Ethereum. I completely agree with them on that. We're going to like and retweet this, right? I need you guys to come over here and literally just lay in as many Shibnobi likes and retweets as we can. As staked, locked, Shinja adds value to both tokens and coins. By decentralized block validations, the stake lock Shinja will provide network resilience, okay? We'll like and retweet that. Shibnobi is partnering with senior engineers, including from reputable companies like Certic, to make sure this project succeeds. That's something that we've been covering on this channel for a while. Shout out to everybody at Certic that's been working with Shibnobi along the way. Let's like and retweet everything going on, of course. Also, shout out to Shinja Turkey, always working overtime on the overtime when it comes to, shilling for Shibnobi and the rest of the Shibnobi clan, all right? We're going to go over these AMA updates. If you guys can, around this time, go ahead and leave some likes or some questions that you guys would like to have below. Maybe some things that you guys would like to see on the channel. We got Shibnobi was also listed on P2P, B2B. Okay, Shinja is available on our exchange. So let's go over here and show them some love. We already started. That's 7,400 likes and 6,500 retweets. I want to see that on the rest of our things. That is amazing. That will literally get us trending or whatnot. Okay, so we got good morning. Let's make sure we like and retweet this, and let's get to these AMA updates. I'm sure you guys are interested. Let's like and retweet them and dive right in. We have token claim website. So yesterday was the last day for the token claim. The token claim was on the 18th. The last day was yesterday. We got BSC launched. The pre-sale whitelist process for the BSC token will begin on the 30th. So that's big news, okay? The pre-sale whitelist process for the BSC, BNB side of things is on the 30th. So you guys want to make sure that bell notifications lit up so you guys do not miss up. Also, tap in with all things to do, all links that I'm going to have for Shibnobi, right? We have the team has agreed upon eligibility criteria for each giveaway category: loyal long-term holders, general public, etc., as well as the minimum and maximum contributions. More details regarding this will be pushed out in a few days, so definitely stay tuned. We have the celebrity comedy event recap. The comedy event at the Hollywood Improv this week that Shibnobi sponsored was a great success. The team was able to get more exposure for our brand name and develop new relationships that may allow for further endeavors in the future. I totally agree with this. I think it was pretty epic that we got that going. We already stated about the exchange that was on Monday. We have the Shibnobi Bridge website. Our Bridge website is coming together nicely and is on track to be ready for release alongside the BSC. I think that's epic right here. This is something that I'm going to ask the community to just, let's be patient, especially we got Certic on our side. DojoSwap version 2 Certic is still conducting their audit on version 2 contracts. We will just have to wait until they are done in order for DojoSwap to go live. Let's be patient on this. Let's trust the process on this. We do not want any exploits to happen and then later on we have to backtrack. Let's just be honest, okay? This is also some important news that you guys want to know about. Monday through Thursday, AMAs will be held at 10 p.m. Eastern Time in Telegram, broadcasting to other social medias as well. On Friday, 4 p.m. Eastern Time, we will be hosting an AMA on Twitter Spaces. We will also start looking to participate in more interviews and talk shows to expand our reach beyond our community. I think that is epic. I think that's a great idea. And something that I think all tokens must eventually have to do if we want some kind of impact as far as crypto adoption goes, right? As in bringing new eyes. If we tapped into every well that every crypto holder, where do we get new people to come? Where do we find these new wells to tap? And that's what we need to do. And so I totally agree with the team right there and the community. This is some questions from the community. Will the BSC token have utility? What an awesome question. Yes, it will have utility within the Shibnobi ecosystem. I'm sure that the team has already got that squared away. Anything to do with Shinja, any kind of process, some of the perks that we're going to have. I'm sure that that's where that utility is going to come in. How is the team attracting new crypto enthusiasts? The team is preparing to launch multiple marketing campaigns over the course of a month once the markets start to turn around. And I think that's very important. I want people, I know we have a lot of new investors, but that's something that you don't want our money, our marketing money going against the grain, because you can throw a lot of money at marketing right now. And if the markets are going down and Bitcoin's pushing down, it's like throwing money in the wind. It's not going to have no real effect. Okay. So there will be more material coming out that stem from this, or there will be more material that's coming out that stem from the comedy event. My bad. But moving forward, I think that marketing, once the markets pick up, if we can align that at the same time, that'll be where the most momentum will be picked up, and also new eyes will look and say, okay, this is picking up at the same time while the markets are picking up. It's going to look a little bit juicier, if that makes sense. Can we get listed on Voyager? We would like to, but we are going to need more volume before we can get accepted. And another update that I skipped right here, we have this 24-hour competition. This is epic. We need to get back, and this is where we're going to go into the price predictions. If we get back above 1,300 on DEX fuels by 10 p.m. Eastern time tomorrow night, so that's tonight, right, the 19th, we will add an additional 200 quintillion tokens to the claim website balance and burn it all. This will be a total of 750 quintillion tokens permanently taken out of our circulation. We will also give the single biggest buy during this competition a whitelist spot to our upcoming BSC launch. And that is like a Willy Wonka ticket, basically, right there. That is pretty epic, if you ask me. I'm really excited about that. And now we're going to get into these prices. And if you guys like these videos, if you guys learned enough, go ahead and also leave those comments down below. But be sure to like and subscribe if you guys like what you're seeing. Right now, we're at the 1203 mark, which is not that bad. We need to climb a little bit more to get to that threshold that was stated for us to basically get into that burn area, right? So we're not that far away, and we're going to go ahead and mark that burn area and where we're going to stay. Okay, horizontal line right here. Let's get right to 13 so we have our goal, right? There's nothing wrong with having a goal. So it's not that far. We're right there in this range. Okay. Right there. Perfect. All right, so we're going to trade within this range. Let's get above this 13. We got to hold above it. That's something that can happen today. And what's on the table is an amazing BSC whitelist spot. Let me know in the comments down below. Share your thoughts of what you think about the BSC. You know, right now we're picking the prices, picking back up. The markets are also picking up. We see Bitcoin up some. ETH is above $2,000, so that's good. And we're starting to see that reflect on the rest of the tokens on our side as well. So leave your thoughts down below. If you have any questions, leave them down below as well. And if you guys know what's up, go ahead and pack your bags with me, Moneybags Rico, by hitting the subscribe button and staying in tune with the channel where we experience the abundance of money together. Until next time, later.